Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Syzerra Learning. Today, we're diving into something that's not only visually appealing, but also a very useful design technique, wrapping text around an image in Canva. Whether you're creating flyers, social media posts, or blog graphics, this little trick can make your designs look more polished and professional. So, let's get started. To wrap text around an image, start by adding your paragraph or block of text to the page. I've already added my text. As you can see, I filled the page with a complete paragraph. You should do the same with your own content. Next, upload your image. Since I've already uploaded mine, I'll simply add it to the page. If your image has a background, you can easily remove it using Canva's background remover tool. Once that's done, select your image and move to the photo edits options. From there, choose the shadow effect and then select glow. Now, adjust a few settings to refine the look. Change the shadow color to match your page background. Set the blur to 0 and increase the intensity to 100%. You can also enlarge the shadow size to enhance the effect. Once these steps are complete, your text should be perfectly wrapped around the image, giving it a clean, professional appearance. And that concludes today's lesson. You've now learned how to wrap text around an image in Canva, which is a fantastic way to enhance your designs. Be sure to practice this technique in your projects. In our next lesson, we'll explore even more exciting features to elevate your Canva skills. Keep experimenting